Hi guys, this is Aaron Linton, and today we're going to look at Pro Tools. Now, what is Pro Tools? Pro Tools is a audio editing software. The first thing that you will need is this little key right here. It's called an iLock. This has your registration for your Pro Tools program in here. Then we'll want to go down to Pro Tools, click on that. You do have to have the iLock installed to even run the program on your Mac computer. And this is loading, and it's Pro Tools 10. What I would suggest is getting an external keyboard and getting the latest or the oldest keyboard with the numpad on it with the two USB ports on the right and the left side, and it's a USB port. It's a USB connected keyboard, and then you will be able to hook in the iLock on either side of the keyboard. That's what I have done. So as you see, there's no quick menu here. You would normally a quick menu in here, but I have actually disabled. This is the main startup here, the quick start. I had this disabled because it's just easier for me if it is like that. But again, you may want to keep this. I'll try to keep it for now and see what happens here. Press OK. And we're just going to save this as a test. So we do have this saved in test, and this is what you will have. This is the Pro Tools interface. We hit Command and the equals key. We are brought to the mix window. This is where you will have your faders and stuff. Let's go ahead and create a track. Let's actually turn on my Elysis IO4 and create one mono track. This is what the track area will come up with. If we hit Command equals, we will see that we have one fader here in the set. We have our panning button, and we hit Command equals to go back to the edit window. To do the different editing functions, we can hit F1 through F4 to do a shuffle, a split, a spot, and a grid. I usually go between the split and the shuffle. The split does is you can record something, you can highlight, and you can delete. Say if you're doing a vocal track and you have pause in between there for instrumental, you can take that pause and actually take it out of the mix, and it would be fine. That's what F2 does. It basically keeps your track there. F1 will allow you to basically cut that silence of say our vocal track example, and what will happen there is it will shift everything to the left. So that's why I usually keep it on the split. And you can hit escape to get to these different tools. You can also get to the different tools by coming over here and pressing on each one. You have your time here with your start and end and your length. Let's actually close this session, and I will open up a current session that I have just to show you what this will look like. And so this is my newest session. As you can see, I've taken this is the vocal track, this green first track right here, This is the vocal track, and what I have done is I have taken the silence out of here, and I've done that with hitting Control Shift, and then either 1 is really slow, 2 is is creeping, 3 is halfway creeping, 4 is getting there, and 5 is normal. You can 6, 7, and 8 really speed it up, so you can edit like that. And that's what I did, and I've taken all the silence out of here using the split edit mode, and I have just deleted it, and it's fine. It doesn't move it. So done that, and this is what it looks like. Here is here's the editing section here, and as you can see, I have panned some of these tracks left and right. You have effects up at top here, your inserts A through E for each track, and then you have more down here is your sends. Your I/O is basically your interface. I am using an Ellipsis I/O 4, so I can go through here and select different tracks and select different ports. Now, one of your hotkeys that you won't want to use on a regular basis is Shift R to toggle a track, and I did that, and you see that it's blinking red. Hit Control P to move down and move up. Control P to move up, and Control semicolon to move down. You can also hit Control Shift and then either P or semicolon to select different tracks as well. This will also deselect tracks. You just hit Control P and keep going up, or Control semicolon and keep going down. So that is just a little look at Pro Tools. We will look more into the Pro Tools in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.